Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to disable autoplay videos in Prime Video. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and initially what we need to do is simply hover over our profile picture and our name. Once you hover over it, something like this will open up, and from here, let's simply focus on your account section. Right here, just below it, you'll see something like account and settings. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Well guys, this is your accounts and settings page. From here, what you need to do is simply go to this player tab right here. Simply click on it. Well guys, here you can see is autoplay and autoplay trailers. What you need to do is simply turn them off. As you can see, I'm simply turning them off. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable autoplay videos on your Prime Video account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.